Sige, pasok ko na. Sige, pasok mo na. Iba usapan na yun na.
Pare! Sinasamod ang 20.
Paano kami nagkakilala? Schoolmate kami. 4th year, nakita ko siya sa school. Tapos, nagandahan ako sa kanya. Sinulatan ko siya.
This one is for Erica, my cousin na sobrang mahal na mahal ako. Parang matira.
Parang pwede ka pumalit kay Mayor.
Magsama kayong mabuti,
Bigayan,
nawan.
Symbiotic
Give and
relation.
take lang ang pag-aasawa. At saka magmahalan kayong mabuti.
Yes, ma'am. I will. I would like to start my vow by telling how deeply grateful I am to have you. I'm so blessed to have a woman like you in my life.
Minsan iniisip niya na I am his blessing. Yes, for sure it's true. Pero siya rin is my biggest blessing as well.
Nandun yung pagmamahalan ni Chris. Magbigayan kayo. Walang taguan. Basta lahat ay latag kung anong mga problema. Basta anak. Buong buhay niya, ibigay niya sa magiging pamilya niya, sa magiging mga anak niya. Pero kahit ganun pong mangyayari, mag-asawa na po anak ko, gusto ko na rin po mag-apo sa kanya.
Babe, handa ka na ba? Kinakabahan ka ba? Kinakabahan din ako eh. Galingan na lang natin. Galingan natin sa buhay. Galingan pa sa business. See you later.
They say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you.
Dear babe, who would have thought that being late comes with perks? And for me, it is not just a simple perk, but a lifetime partner that now have also come to be my best friend.
I started driving through the hills, told me to come and get you. No words convey the way it felt for me to finally hold you in my arms just long enough to know.
Masaya talaga. Kasi magiging isa na kami. Makakasama ko na siya.
I'm excited. Yun. Actually, I've been saying na hindi ako nakakaramdam ng kaba and I was asking, masamang bagay ba to? Is this a bad thing? Kasi hindi ako kinakabahan. But I'm super excited.
It was like in movies when I first saw you. Everything stopped and it was you I can only see. It was a feeling so new to me that I can't even understand what's happening. Now, I am confident to say that it was not love at first sight. It was more than that. It was God whispering to me, "Child, it's Him." The 15 years that we are together taught me that it would not always be rainbows and butterflies. We've been through difficult moments and a lot of silent battles we endured together.
Thank you for inspiring me to be the best version of myself. And thank you for accepting me for who I am. I am excited to do life with you.
Very sincere. He's very funny. He puts me above everything else, actually. Nandito na tayo. I'm super excited to know what's gonna happen in the rest of our lives, and I'm just so happy that we would be doing it together. I vow to choose you no matter what happens. I will continue to honor God through honoring you as my husband.